Here's Johnny.
So, the Doge father is on his way of owning Twitter. Here's what this could mean for the crypto universe. Elon Musk has bought Twitter for $44 billion, and his bid now is pending regulatory approval. But the social network side is already wondering what this could mean for its ecosystem, especially when it comes to crypto Twitter. DogeCoin already saw a 30% surge in price along with other meme coins following suit after Elon's takeover was announced. The acquisition helped DogeCoin make a comeback into the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in the world by market value. Welcome back, Doggy. So I would like to talk a little bit about a few changes this could mean for Twitter as a platform. And at the end of the video, I will let you know the 3 top crypto gainers of the day. Let's get started then. Fewer crypto spam bots on Twitter. Cryptocurrency scams have been the plague of Elon's existence on Twitter for as long as anyone can remember. Fraudsters have been using the Doge father's good name, between quotation marks, to promote crypto-based scams since he first mentioned his love for crypto assets. In May last year, scammers impersonating Elon stole at least $2 million from investors using giveaway schemes. Also, he has made no secret of the fact that rectifying the situation is the first item on his to-do list after taking over Twitter. Elon said at TED 2022 on April 14th, a top priority I would have is eliminating the spam and scam bots and the bot armies that are on Twitter. According to him, Twitter's spam problem is the single most annoying problem with using the service. Earlier this year, he even launched a questionnaire on Twitter asking his followers how long must this go on. Despite all his puffery, it remains to be seen what Elon has planned to help the situation beyond the solutions already put in place by Twitter. The crypto community, on the other hand, is eager to see what he puts out, building crypto-like concepts to counter hate speech. Content moderation is a complicated maze to maneuver, and it's hardly a problem restricted to Twitter. Other social networks like Facebook and YouTube have faced similar challenges. Elon's solution is to make the social network's algorithm open to all, with Twitter's governing principles laid bare for all to see. His next move will most likely be dictated by the public response. On one hand, the kind of trust that going open source generates may drive more crypto-like concepts to the platform. On the other hand, it may also raise a call for a KYC type of authentication, which would take away the privacy and anonymity that makes Twitter stand out from its counterpart. Personally, I don't like the idea too much. Let me know in the comment section if you'd agree with a KYC process for Twitter. I would like to know your opinion. That being said, I'm impatient to see how he'll manage to balance the importance of privacy versus the need for free speech. The future of crypto remains uncertain with Musk in charge. Elon's love for crypto assets isn't in question. The true battle is between fiat and crypto. On balance, I support the latter. He replied when somebody asked him about people being mad at him for his influence over the crypto market. Moreover, his appearance on Saturday Night Live in May last year boosted DogeCoin's price to its all-time high of 73 cents. But that doesn't mean he loves everything crypto on Twitter, like NFT profile pictures. He famously said that the hexagonal verification feature for NFT hodlers is annoying. This begs the question of how much of Elon's agenda will focus specifically on crypto assets and how much will focus on the nuances of sharing information on Twitter. Many on Reddit and Twitter hope that Elon's $43 billion Twitter takeover may finally turn the crypto markets around. Others aren't so sure. Either way, everyone's expecting unpredictable announcements from Elon over the next few weeks that are bound to impact the crypto market. Now let's get to today's top 3 crypto gainers. DogeCoin up 24%. When Elon sneezes, DogeCoin catches a cold. And when Elon takes over Twitter, DogeCoin believers dream of going to the moon. He has a long history of pushing Doge's price up via Twitter. It's usually that he usually does it through tweets rather than takeovers. Twitter enabled Bitcoin tipping last year, and the DogeCoin community hopes that Elon's leadership will mean that DogeCoin payments soon will be featured on the platform too. This could help it age out other digital currencies as a form of payment. One Redditor wrote, "Personally, I can't wait to see DogeCoin reaching $1 with Elon as the Twitter owner. The closest DogeCoin has come to $1 was last May when it reached an all-time high of 73 cents. But more recently, it's struggling to get higher than 20 cents. Tesla already accepts DogeCoin payments for merchandise. However, DogeCoin has several hurdles to cross before it can become a widely accepted payment option. From environmental issues to structural ones, the journey from a joke coin to a global digital currency is not a walk in the park, precisely." Next one on the list, Oasis, up 16%. The so-called Coinbase effect strikes again. The popular cryptocurrency exchange is on a mission to add many new coins and tokens, and when it does, it often results in a short-term price jump. Yesterday, Coinbase tweeted that it will start trading Oasis this morning, assuming liquidity conditions were met. This morning, it announced Oasis was live. And last but not least, we have the graph, up 16%. The graph is a bit like a search engine for blockchains. It's a popular behind-the-scenes crypto that indexes information to make it easier to query data across various different networks. It isn't completely clear what drove its price increase, but most likely the reason is the announcement of Graph Day on June the 2nd in San Francisco. The day-long event will feature several talks on dApps, Web3, and the future of the internet. Following the Graph Day, there will be a 3-day hackathon where developers can turn some of their ideas into action. The bottom line is cryptocurrency prices have been choppy for most of this year, and we can expect continued volatility. There are a lot of unknowns in the crypto world right now, including geopolitical and economic uncertainty. This has made many investors risk averse, making high risk assets like crypto less appealing. If you are considering buying one of today's top gainers, make sure you do your own research and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Don't buy a crypto because it's in decent gains in the short term. Instead, look at how you think it might perform in the longer term. This mindset can help you avoid a fear of missing out and pushing you into investments you may later regret. And that's all for today. Have a beautiful day and see you on the next one.